What's up guys? Probably not an exciting vlog, who knows, might get some ideas, home decor, woohoo, but I'm redoing my room, kind of moving things around, put 2 shelves up. I'll show you before and after, so this is before. Okay, now it's time to transform my room. I don't know what I'm gonna put on the shelves yet. Gotta clean out the closet. I have a few ideas, but let's see. Trial and error. First off, sorry if there's noise. The fan is going. So I put all the pops up there. Yes, I have a lot. Sorry, lots of gifts, and they're addicting. Anyways, this is what I got so far. I put up some shot glasses and they're all against the wall. This is what I got so far after like an hour of dusting them off and whatnot. Also, just for fun, I made a Funko Pop collection kind of video, just for fun, because I did go to the store in Los Angeles when I was living there. So check that out if you haven't. Link down below if I remember. Yeah, I'm sweating because it's hot as crap. Now I gotta go to a pod outside to get a couple bins because I had no room, so I had to put my shelf stuff in the pod. So that's the next step. I just got the stuff in the pod. I had a little more than I thought. I have 5, like, what do you call these things? 5 of these. And then of course my LMFAO head I made in high school. Fun times. And for some reason I have this. It's a plunger, but it's a gun. Alright, we went through the boxes. We got 3. I emptied 1. I think I'm going to do 1 more box in a pod, and then the other 2 I'm going to keep in my room, try to put it somewhere. Get all the stuff that I need to put on there and in here. And who knows, I might put this right here and that right there. But we will see. Alright, it's now 11. I started around like 5:30, 5-ish. Obviously things are going to change. Shoes on the wall. Floor looks good. Bed's clean. Ish. Closet could use a little work, but it's the best I can do right now. I have to be quiet because my parents are trying to sleep. Now we have to move that computer over there and the TV over here. Well, like this thing and this thing. I have YouTube playing, by the way, so Xbox. You have Xbox. Add me. Put your gamer tag down below. Comment. And like this video because I'm sweating my balls off. Okay, it's 1:30 in the morning, and I forgot to eat. I was gonna eat after, but I did not know it was gonna take this long. I moved a bunch of things around so many times. I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna call it a night tonight, but this is what I got done. Bed stayed the same, that stayed the same. It's a little messy up there, but it'll switch over time. I have my computer facing, like the screen facing the wall that way. I flipped it, I brought it around, I brought this all the way over here. TV's a little slanted, so you might come out from my bed. The fish I need to put somewhere, I'm thinking places, and I'm gonna plug it back in before I go to bed. I keep putting this right here. Well, I mean, like, I'm tired, I don't even know what I'm saying, but I have this right here right now. I did have it going this way, so the chair was on that side, and the desk was aligned right here. Also, I put the mini fridge and the little thing right there. Kind of rearranging this. I'm gonna head to bed. I'll see you in the morning so we can finish this up, hopefully within like a half hour to an hour tops. Good night. Alright, it's afternoonish. I had to do some errands for my mom, but we're back at cleaning the room. So I had a bowl. I won that in a previous video against my brother in a game of Rocket League on Xbox. Yes! Shout out Jackson for helping me win. I kind of switched things up again. So I have my desk facing that way. I hate my back towards the door, but it's the best I can do so I can get a little more open. I gotta move the fish somewhere. I got another tank, but I'm missing the top, so I need to find the top. Xbox. That's gonna stay there. I got a new plug. Zoom in on that plug. Heck yeah. I think I might switch the plug that's behind there to go over there, and then that one under there. Alright, let's get to it. I honestly thought I was doing a time lapse that whole entire time, about a half hour. Put stuff on the desk, rearranging wires, and I think I have the wrong plug because I need wire outlets. So now I'll do a time lapse. I'm an idiot. Okay, did it again. Changed out the plug. I think it looks a little better. Had to push it, pull it more towards my bed, but it looks okay. I know I have this wire dangling right here. Where is it? Right here. It's my black light. Alright, so I ended up switching a couple things around just for the phone charger and that. Check this out. It probably won't look that good because it's not night, but ooh, What do we think? We change the colors. Ooh, we flash. We can have party in here, guys. Slowly fades in. Faster one, I guess. And party again. We'll keep it on this one for now. But yeah, all by remote, and I got that at Five Below, the lights. So you can get them too, if you want. Damn it. Okay, I had to stop doing what I was doing earlier because my cousin came over and he's leaving for college tomorrow. So we had a little good luck in college. See you soon because coronavirus is going to make you come back early. Jackson, I'll see you in probably like 2 weeks till the school shuts down. Anyways, I'm getting started again right now. It is now 12:30 at night and hopefully going to finish within the next like 20 minutes, half hour. And then show you guys the whole thing all done, lit up, whatever, looking nice. Let's go. Okay, it is 2 a.m. in the morning and I finally finished. Kind of. Take a look and tell me what you think. Okay, quick tour and I'll tell you what I didn't finish yet. Okay, first things first, I have my bed. And I have a lot of pillows because I like to sleep with pillows. Also, great wolf blanket that my sister got me. I love it. So fun. One-man wolf pack. Heck yeah. And I didn't really put together my bed that well because I'm going to be sleeping in it in a couple minutes anyways because it's 2 a.m. Great tip. Fun fact. I have a really big sheet. It's nice and light. I also have this. Obviously pillows. But my real comforter and sheets or whatever under here. And I never go under them, so my bed's always made. The bowl that I want. I also got my taco lights. If you've seen my room in California, I have the taco lights there. Greatest showman. My brother got me a piece of Hugh Jackman's jacket. And fun lights from Halloween. I thought I'd put them on while I made the video. Candles going, it's really hot. Also, mini fridge. Nothing in here but some green tea, some Jersey Shore energy drink, and Patron, and empty water bottles because I refilled green tea in it. And on the outside I got my Viva La Bam signed. Bam. Signed it from Viva La Bam. Fast passes. Splash Mountain one. R.I.P. Oh great, now it's going off because it's trying to cool up. Because I opened it. Great. Okay, when I went to like screenings in California, got my screening things. Some other screening things. Oh, also a fun mistletoe under there because it's fun. Got my watches, my cologne, some chains, video games, stuff that I need. Random crap for videotaping. Hey guys, subscribe. Josh Felix. Subscribe right now. Do it. Watch my videos. It's fun. Fish is right here. I'm getting a new tank. It's just long and it's straight. It doesn't curve like this one. And I'm gonna put it in between my Xbox and TV, and the TV's gonna shift down. Also, I got my controllers right here, so it'll open it up and push down. But the fish tank is not in yet, so gotta wait for that. My favorite part out of all of this is my computer setup because I'm always on my computer. So I put fun lights from Five Below, like I showed. That light there too changes colors. I'll show off the lights right now so you can see what that looks like with the lamp I'm gonna keep on. Oh, look how fun. This is with the light off. Oh, how fun. Very fun. Ooh, fun. And this is what the room looks like when just the lights inside are on. We also got the lamp on and the TV. It doesn't help. It'll look better with it off, but you get the point. Also, yes, I have a lot of pops, and yes, I'm going to make a video on it if it's not out by now. But a lot of them are gifts, and SpongeBob and Nightmare Before Christmas because they're my favorite, and it's a cool decoration. And I'm not going to show you my closet because it's a lot of things I'm throwing out, giving to Goodwill, and giving my cousins and stuff like that. When I was cleaning out my room and stuff, I'm like, I'm just going to shove it in there for now. You don't need to see it in there. Not important. Another fun little thing I did to my room is I put my Mickey hands on the end of it with my black light on top. And also this wire is going to be moved. I'm going to flip it around so it goes behind the TV and tuck it to the side behind the curtain so you can't see it. Yeah, I know I got pimples, so I'm trying to get rid of them. Don't worry. So I wanted to do this all one night or one day, and that did not happen because a lot more that went into it than I thought. But I think I got it all kind of looking really good, in my opinion. It kind of opened up the room from what it was before. But if you got any good tips or tricks out of that, I'm glad. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Check out my other videos. And I gotta go to bed, I guess, because I'm going to the beach tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell. Watch my other videos. They're funny. Who knows, I might watch those before bed because such great content. But yeah, that's my new room for now. But that is all for me tonight. So like again, please like, subscribe, share, ring the notification bell, comment what your favorite part of my room is. Who just texted me? It's like 2:30 now. What the heck? Alright, well, that's it. Yeah, okay. Josh G Vlogs. Way up. Okay, filming from my room with my phone. Just wanted to let you know I switched out and cleaned out the fish tank. Carol is in there. She'll be in there, and it's gonna be nice and clean, right, Carol? Right. Also cleaned out more of my closet and got a lot of crap out, so a lot of things look nice. And the last thing, I didn't charge it, but it's making noise right now. But this is Bluetooth speaker thing. It's going crazy because it needs to be charged, but I also put it on top of my mini fridge.